Get the biggest package of short footage videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, IG Reels. 100% unrestricted usage rights for you and your customers to resell, rebrand, repurpose. Exclusive HD and 4K videos for you to quickly outsell your big competitors without any hassle and hard work. All-in-one short footage videos, HD and 4K. Imagine being able to get free and amazing videos to use it or sell for websites, social media in few minutes without any editing and design skills whatsoever. Get the HD and 4K videos. It is the Problem Foll All Marketers, BussinessMan, bloggers, YouTubers, influencers, and more without having to hire freelancers. No designers, no editing, no skills needed. The best part is that everything you'll get access to on this page today comes with a full 100% unrestricted usage rights, which means you can use the videos in any way you like. Sell them, edit them, rebrand them, give them away for free as bonuses. The choice is yours. Open your mind. This is a very big chance. Expand your vision for your online business and multiply your benefits by running this amazing short video package. It is a surefire technique to make enormous income online. Let's enhance your profits with no extra work. The first step is always the most difficult step, they say, and when it comes to creating videos, the saying almost falls true, especially because there are people who quit just by looking at the perceived effort and fail to recognize the benefits of videos. We present you the excellent opportunity to make crazy profits selling these videos and fill your bank accounts with huge cash. It has never been easier to find footage videos and upload them to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram Reels. You know these platforms can help you start or grow your business, and now you can finally start using them. You can literally sit there and make these videos all day long at your desk if you wanted to. Never pay a designer again. Are you ready to hire a freelancer or outsourcer that charges $100 per video? Creators are making hundreds of dollars repeatedly selling videos to thousands of businesses looking for HD and 4K videos. So dear friend, if you want to buy this, please visit the description link below. Thank you.